Thank you, Matt.
Now start.
English Everyday CD Service. An easy way to learn English. English conversation for business and pleasure. Every language. Listen and repeat. Only rupees 2,950. Manager Daya Sons. English CD producer. Havelock Rod Colombo.
Yes, well done. Give a clap to Hasali. Very nice. Now teacher will read. Okay, you can, if you don't know any words, underline and write the Sinhala meaning. Okay. What's the topic? English. We are reading. We are doing now Master Guidebook, grade 6 Master Guidebook, page 19, question 14. We are doing now. Okay. Now we'll see. What's the advertisement topic? English everyday
CD
CD series.
service.
English everyday CD series is the topic. English everyday mean English
Service.
Yes.
Service.
It's not service, series. CD series. Service SERVISE service. Here series. CD series. Okay. We'll see. An easy way to learn English. An easy way mean Pahasuma kramaya. An easy way to learn English. English igana ganna pahasu kramaya. English conversation underline and write in Sinhala meaning Sangwad. English conversation for business and pleasure.
Conversation කියන්නේ මොකක්ද?
Sangwad. Conversation mean Sangwad. Like a dialogue. Conversation mean dialogue, Hasali. From our spoken
Service කියන එකේ
not service, series. CD series. Okay. Want to search. Who can search that word? My phone is not there. Search that word and tell me. English conversation for business. Underline business mean vyaparika and pleasure satut. Samaharu satut ආසාවට ඉගෙන ගන්නවනේ English. Okay. Business and pleasure.
Teacher, again.
What want? Business mean sat vyaparika. Pleasure mean satuta. Okay.
Okay.
Everyday language. Listen and what Purna?
CD series කියන්නේ මාලාවක්.
Yes, CD Malava. Yes, CD Malava. Okay. Next one. Listen. Listen mean you are listening. Now you are listening.
අහන්න.
Savandima. Listen and repeat. Repeat mean again.
Repeat.
Navata kiyan. Listen and repeat. Okay. Only how much is this CD? How much? Rupees 2,950. Manager. Manager mean Kalamanakaru. Yes, manager mean Kalamanakaru.
මොකද්ද මැඩම් කලින්
Manager. Manager. Daya and
කලින්
huh? What Sandali?
ඒට කලින් කිව්වේ
Repeat.
listen and
Repeat.
repeat කියලා මොකද්ද කියන්නේ?
Repeat කියන්නේ නැවත කියන්න. Repeat. Okay. Manager Daya and Sons. English. Daya mean one person and son. එයාගේ sons puttu. Okay. Putun. Daya and Sons. English CD producers. Underline the word producers and write Sinhala meaning Nishpadak. Type all the answers. That question 14. Then you can mark your book. Okay. First, tell me number one answer. Want to tell Idusha? What's the first question? First, read the question, Idusha.
The advertisement is about English series.
Yes. What is the topic? Want to write? What is the advertisement is about? You should write the topic, children. Ekata topic එක ලියන්න ඕන. Okay. Master Guidebook page number 19 we are discussing. What is the topic? Who can tell me? Purna, tell the answer.
English everyday CD series.
Yes, that is the answer. English. Is that correct, Hasali?
Teacher, Mama ලිව්වේ වෙන එකක්.
Why? English every day.
English කියලා ලිව්වේ.
Yes,
Ah.
madam.
Write the topic, children. Okay. Topic. එක ගණනේ කියන්නේ. English everyday CD series. What you wrote, Senal? Where මොකද්ද ලිව්වේ, Senal?
English everyday CD series.
Ah, yes, that one correct. Now next one. Tell me, Sandali. Read the second question, Sandali. Soon read.
It sounds and
It shows an. ඒකේ මොනවද පෙන්වන්නේ? English. Who can tell the
easy way to learn English.
It shows an.
Easy way to learn English.
What you wrote, Hasali?
Easy
Is that correct? Learn
way
English.
to
Yes, that is the answer. Third one, read, Senal.
Yes.
You have only to
You
listen.
have only to listen and repeat.
Yes, repeat. Want to repeat. Navata kiyan. Okay. Fourth one, Senujita, read.
The cost of a CD is rupees 2,900.
Ah, yes, yes. This wrong in
On,
2,900 only.
only
Yes, only two.
only 2,950 rupees.
Okay. Then number 5, want to read Purna.
You can buy it from Daya and Sons. Colombo කියලා කිව්වේ පූර්ණ කලින්.
Daya and Son.
Manager Daya and Sons English series.
Yes, ඔක්කොම ලිව්වත් හරි. Yes. If you write full sentence, that one also correct. Okay, Daya and Sons, Colombo. If you want, write. නැත්තම් කොහෙද තියෙන Daya and Sons ද කියලා අපි දන්නේ නැහැනේ. Write the place. Daya and Sons, Colombo. Okay? What?
ඔය Daya and Sons කියන්නේ කඩේ වෙනවද?
Yes, yes, maybe. A CD shop එකේ නම වෙන්න ඇති. Okay?
Excuse me, madam.
Soon take one.
Daya and Sons කියනකොට කමක් නැද්ද?
ඒකේ place එකක් ලියන්න. අපි දන්නේ නැහැනේ නැත්නම් කොහේ Daya and Sons ද කියලා. Write the place, Sandali.
හරි madam.
Okay. You wrote about rainy day.
A rainy day is a wet, cool, noisy, and dark. The sun hides behind the clouds, and the sky becomes dark. The wind blows hard. The trees start to shake, and the leaves fall down.
Very nice. Shall we type? Wait, Senal.
Sometimes they break and fall.
Senal, can you tell me? I will type. But no, for me. Okay, okay, you read. එතන නවත්තපු තැන ඉඳලා read කරලා ඉන්න ඔක්කොම. Very nice, Senal. You wrote nicely.
Sometimes birds' nests fall off. Animals run for shelter. We can see the lightning and hear the thunder. Raindrops fall on one by one and then it starts to rain a lot. Then it makes the ground muddy and soggy. It leaves puddles when the rain stops and the sun shines. A lovely rainbow appears. I love rainy day a lot because I can float paper boats.
Okay, children. Now I will give one essay. But sure. Very nice. Okay. Now bring your writing books and write this about rainy day. But I want to, we are discussing now Master Guidebook, page number
15.
15.
Page number 19.
19. Question. Okay. Question 15 we are doing now. Okay. Now shall we write? Senal, tell me how you start sentence. Shall we?
Day is
Tell. A rainy day is
wet,
and
comma,
yes, wet,
cool, noisy and dark.
It's enough. Okay. A rainy day is wet, තෙත්බර, cool, සීතල, noisy, ශබ්ද, ඇහෙන, and dark, අඳුරු. Okay. ඔය වගේ දවසක්. Yes, right. Write in your writing book. Okay. And next one.
Teacher sentences ලියන්න නැත්නම් වාක්‍ය ලියන්න.
අපි sentences ලියමු නේද? වාක්‍ය ලියන තරම් ගොඩාක් ලියන්න ඕනේ නෑ. Star mark and write. Put the star mark and write. Second one, read, Senal. Next one. You read. I want to hear again.
Okay. The sun hides
Yes, that one good. The sun hides
behind
the clouds.
Clouds and the sky becomes dark.
The sky. I කියන්න ඕනේ නෑ ඉස්සෙල්ලත් කියලා තියෙනවනේ. ඒක අයිය ඕනේ නෑ. The sun hides behind the clouds. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉර clouds වලින් හැංගෙනවා. Clouds වලට පිටිපස්සෙන් ඉර හැංගෙනවා. Okay, එහෙම නේද? Can you see sun in the rainy day? Can you see sun? No, we can't see.
No.
The sun hides behind the clouds. Want to write, okay? Again, no need to tell sky was dark. Same thing repeating. Then next one. Tell me, Senal.
The wind blows hard.
The wind blows high mean high. What?
හුළඟ
Yes, ulang hamana.
හමනවා.
Yes. WIND. Am I correct?
Yes, teacher.
The wind
Blows
Yes. The wind blows high.
hard.
Yes, hard. Enough. The
Yes,
wind
teacher.
blows hard. Okay. Then next one.
The trees start to shake and the leaves fall down.
Shall we write together? The wind blows hard and the trees and leaves No. The wind blows hard and the trees, tell me.
Madam, trees කියන එකේ අර S දෙකක් ඇවිල්ලා.
Yes.
කියන
Okay. Now the trees. Tell
Trees. trees start to shake and
Okay, enough.
shake and
Leaves are fall down, no need to write. Okay? මම ඔයාලා ලියපු චුට්ටක් වෙනස් කරනවා සෙනාල්. The wind blows hard and the trees start to shake. හයියෙන් හුලං ඇවිල්ලා ගස්.
okay, teacher.
Okay? That is the meaning. Then next one. අර muddy water.
Sometimes branches break and fall.
What? Sometimes?
Sometimes branches break and fall.
අත්තු කඩන් වැටෙනවා. Okay, okay. Shall we write like this? Okay, say sometimes branches.
Sometimes
මැඩම් අර
They are-
දෙක ලියන්න sometimes කියන එක.
they are branches.
Yes, they are
Madam.
branches. Yes, Inara, why?
මැඩම් අර sometimes කියන එක දෙක එකටද ලියන්නේ?
නෑ වෙන වෙනම ලියන්නේ. Sometimes they are branches. No.
Branches break.
මැඩ ලියලා තියෙන්නේ එහෙම.
නෑ ඒක වෙනම ලියලා තියෙන්නේ පුතේ. දැන් ඒක ස්ටාර් එකක් දාන්නේ පස්සේ ඊට යටින් ටයිප් කරන්නේ.
ඒක නෙමෙයි ටීචර් අහන්නේ. some එක වෙලා some එක තැනක times තවත් තැනක
නෑ වෙන එකට sorry ඒක ගැන දැහුවේ. one word sometimes mean one word. එකට දෙකට ලියන්න එපා one word එකක්. sometimes සමහර විට අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ sometimes සමහර විට one word. Good question. They are branches.
branches
Break.
break and fall.
එහෙම
Fall.
කියන්න ඕනද? Leaves are ඔයා කිව්වේ මොකද්ද? Leaves are එතන මතකද උදේ
Leaves are fall down.
yes
Leaves fall down. නෑ teacher.
yes මම බැලුවේ එකට කරන්න. Sometimes their branches break and fall. Enough. Then next one, muddy water. About the muddy water, can you tell me?
Okay, teacher.
Otherwise it will be boring to write. එපා වෙයි ඔයාලට ගොඩක් ලියන්න ගියොත්.
Then it makes the ground muddy and soggy.
That one correct. Then it's make
Then it makes
yes.
Then it makes it's නෙමෙයි teacher.
Yes okay. Then it makes
The ground muddy and soggy.
muddy and soggy. Okay. Then shall we tell that what about එක ගැන කිව්වද?
A lovely rain appears when the rain stops and the sun shines. A lovely rainbow appears.
rainbow එකක් පේනවා නේද? No, I want to say that paper boats අපි දාන්නේ. ඒක කියමු. So
I love rainy days a lot because I can float paper boats.
okay. Then it makes the ground muddy and soggy. We can make paper boats and play. Paper boats හදලා එකෙන් සෙල්ලම් කරනවා. Okay. Later we can say. We can see the rainbow. On the sky. After or before the rain? Who can tell me? When you see the rainbow? After the rain or before?
After.
Yes.
After.
We can see the rainbow on the sky after the rain. After mean pasu, okay? We can see the rainbow on the sky after the rain. I love to feel the rain. I love to feel mean feel a rain එක වෙනකොට අර yes අන්න ඒක මට කිය I love to feel
Chance to bring all the family together.
a nice rainy day. It's a good
It's a good chance to bring
bring
family or
bring all the family together. Is that correct, Hasali?
yes, teacher.
Okay. I love to feel the rain because a nice rainy day is a good chance to bring all the family together. වැසි දවසට කවුරුත් එකතු වෙලා ඉන්නව නේද? Good chance. නැත්තම් ගොඩක් අය එකතු වෙන්නේ නැහනේ සමහර අය වෙන වෙන තැන්වල නේද? අම්මා එක තැනක තාත්තා තව තැනක ළමයි තව තැනක එහෙමනේ. Rainy day එකකදී කට්ටියම එකට ඉන්නවා. අන්න ඒක කිව්වේ. Okay? Put the star marks and write. Can you understand all the sentences? Do you have any difficult words? Very
Yes, teacher.
okay.
No, teacher. Finish, teacher.
Then Inara want to take one photo. Then we complete mask. Okay, right. I told to Inara, you can write. Very nice, Sandali. Purna, can you show? Very nice. Wow. Here, see, look at Purna's essay. Who drew that photos? Purna?
Yes, teacher.
Very nice. You draw all the photos, Purna? Who draw?
මැඩම්
I put up in a
Yes.
මේ කම්පියුටර් ටික මම මේක teacher ඒ ටික මම එන්නේ මේවා Google එකෙන් සර්ච් කරලා ගත්තේ අම්මත් එක්ක
ඔය කලර් කරපු ඔයාද ගත්තේ? ඔය ඒව ඇඳලාද කලර් කරලාද? මේ අරගෙනද? Very nice. Today how can I select best essay artist? Show again. Very nice. Very nice, Inara.
මැඩම් මම පින්තූර එක තමයි මේ නම් කරේ.
Yes, Asali, very nice. And Inara, very nice. Sandali, very nice.
මෙතන ඇඳලා තියෙනවා.
Yes. Guvani also.
ෆොටෝ දෙක ගත්තේ Google එකෙන්
අනිත් ඒවා ඔයා ඇන්දේ නේද? Very nice.
Madam, may අදිපු එක මේ අර පාට් නම් කරපු.
Very nice, Sandali. Then ඔයා okay? Now listen the essay. Bring your essay writing book. Now I will explain. Only 5 sentences are there. What's our topic? the computer. Number 1. Now I am telling next week dictation. Underline all the words, children. First one, computer is a very helpful device. Underline the word helpful device.
Teacher dictation the.
Yes, yes. I am telling now dictation also.
Wait a minute. පොත ලියන්න.
නෑ book එකේ ලියන්න ගොඩක් time යනවා නම් නොලිය ඉන්න පස්සේ ලියමු. Okay? Number 1, helpful device. Second question, we can learn many new things. Underline the word new things. අලුත් දේවල්. Number 2, from the internet. ඔන්න බොරු කියන්න එපා. Don't tell lies. You should tell all the correct words.
Internet means teacher.
From the internet mean අන්තර්ජාලය මගින් we can learn.
Helpful
Helpful device mean ප්‍රයෝජනවත් උපාංග. Helpful device, okay? Number 2, we can learn
Many new
things. Things. ඔන්න හදිසියට ඔයා බොරු කියන්න බෑ සඳලි.
මොකද්ද ටීචර් helpful device කියන ප්‍රයෝජනවත්
උපාංග. Okay, ප්‍රයෝජනවත් උපාංග. Number 2, we can learn many new things from the internet. Use your hands also. Today I will show that. මෙහෙම use කරන්න එපා. ඒක හරියට use කරන්න, okay? Number 3, we can do our works like that. You can show. We can do our works. Underline the word our works mean our works. Yes, show like that with your hands. අපේ වැඩ. Right, number 3. Our works. Second one, new things. Our works mean අපේ වැඩ. Easily and quickly. Quickly you can show like this. Quickly.
easily there.
What Idusha?
Easily there.
Easily. Yes, easily and quickly. Quickly mean easily mean පහසුවෙන් සහ
ටීචර් easily කියන එකත් මේ dictation word එකක්ද?
Yes, wait. Again check. Number 1, helpful device. Number 2, new things. Number 3, our works. Number 4, easily and quickly. Number 4, easily and quickly. Easily mean පහසුවෙන්. Quickly mean ikmanin. Quickly show like this. Quickly. Can you do like that? Quickly. Show with your hands, okay? Very nice. Then next one, number 4. Fourth sentence, we can perform. Underline the word perform. Pennum. Perform mean pennanawa. Many tasks. Want to say, okay? Can you remember last week what is the word? Who can remember?
Insectra. මොකක්ද?
No, not that. I also can't remember.
etc.
No, not that.
එනම් මොකද ටීචර්?
Gifts. Yes, Idusha. Gifts. Like gifts. Today want to say tasks.
ටීචර් task dictation word එකක්ද?
Yes, many tasks. Underline the word many tasks. Perform also one word. Many tasks also another word. Then how many words you underline?
6.
Yes, many
6.
tasks. Number 6, okay. Many tasks.
මැඩම් 4 වෙනි එක මොකක්ද?
Perform.
5.
Yes, easily and quickly. Yes, perform 5. Many tasks. Number 6. Like message.
Perform means
Pennum kan. If you want, can you search that word? Can you search and write? Okay. Next word, underline the next word.
ඉදිරිපත් කිරීම වගේ එකක් නේ.
Yes, present, perform in present.
many tasks වලට පස්සේ මොකද්ද?
Calculation.
many tasks කියන්නේ මොකද?
ඒක අපි many tasks කියන්නේ කාර්යයන් ගොඩක්. Okay? Many tasks. If you want, search the word. Okay? Like that word also. Many tasks and perform.
Number 7.
Teacher, many tasks mean
Karyan Godak, but I'm not sure. I want to search that word. Okay, children, search and write the Sinhala meaning. Next one. Caddy, caddy. Yes, calculation. Calculations. Underline that word also. Calculations mean ගණන් කරන එක. ඒකත් අපි හරියටම word එක බලමු. Calculations. අපි ඒව කරනව නේද? Okay. Write the word ගණනය. Calculations, underline. And next word, data storage. දත්ත ගබඩා කිරීම. Data storage.
teacher calculation වලට පස්සේ මොකද්ද?
Data storage. Data storage.
print out, etc. are the main computer parts. Keyboard, mouse, CPU, the brain of computer. Monitor mean screen. Thank you.
For listening my essay. Where is your end? Your start also not there, end also not there. Ohama bad, not good. I'm not telling good, but okay today. Now Hasali, can you do without errors like Sandali?
Good evening, my dear friends and teacher. Today, I'm going to talk about the computer. Here, look at my computer. Then, I will read my essay. The computer. Computer is very harmful, helpful device. We can learn many new things from the internet. We can do our works easily and quickly. On computer, we can perform tasks like messaging, calculation, data storage, printing, etc. These are the main parts in computer. Keyboard, mouse,
Hasali say, here, look at the keyboard, look at the mouse, like that show Hasali. Well done.
here, look at the keyboard. Here, look at the mouse. Here, this is monitor. And here, this is speaker. And here, this is computer. And here, this is printer. Thank you for listening my essay. Bye.
Okay, well done. Superb. Huh? I want to give this mark. Well done. Now who can read? Senal, can you read? Soon. Only 2.
Wait a minute, teacher.
Purna, can you read?
Can we go on, teacher?
Yes, yes. So Andina Pute. Purna, read. Can you read Purna? Start to read. And the Puya Valim Projanayak Ganna Purna. Asanta Karlati and Nisa. Okay, start Purna.
Good evening, my dear friends and teacher. Today, I am going to talk about the computer. Here, look at my computer. Now, I will read my essay. The computer. The computer is the every helpful device. We can learn many new things from the internet. We can do our works easily and quickly on computer. We can perform many tasks like message, calculation, messaging, data storage, printing, etc. These are the many main computer parts. Here, look.
Mic off.
Mic off.
Yes, Purna. Mic off. Say it again. Show the keyboard and say, here, look at my real.
Here, look at my mouse. Here, look at my keyboard. Here, look at my mouse. Here, look at my CPU. I'm going to talk about the computer. Here, look at my computer. Then, I will read my essay. The computer. Computer is a very helpful device. We can learn many new things from the internet. We can do our work easily and quickly on computer. We can perform many tasks like messaging, calculations, data storage, printing, etc. These are the main computer parts. First one is keyboard. Second one is mouse. Third one is CPU. Fourth one is monitor screen. Fifth one is CPU, UPS. Thank you for listening my essay.
Okay.
Learn many new things from the internet. We can do our work early and quickly on computer. We can perform many tasks like messaging, like
Messaging, calculations.
calculations, data, storage, etc. These are the many computer parts. Here, look at USB. This is a keyboard. The CUP. This is monitor. Thank you for listening, Maya. Thank you.
Here, Inara, not
Yes.
USP. UPS is the correct word. And CPU, want to tell you told CUP. I can't remember. CPU is the correct
Teacher.
word. Okay, Senujita, now read. What happened to you? Now read, Senujita.
Good evening, my dear friends and teacher. Today I am talk about the computer. Here, look at my computer. Now I will read my essay. Computer is very helpful device. We can learn many new things from the internet. We can do our works easily and quickly on computer. We can perform many tasks like messaging, calculations, data storage, printing, etc. These are the main computer parts. Here, look at my keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, and UPS. Thank you for listening my essay.
Okay, Sanujita, very good. Now, Senal, can you read now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, start to read.
Good morning, my dear friends. Today, I am going to talk about the computer. Here, look at my computer. Then, I will read my essay. The computer. The computer is a very helpful device. We can learn many new things for the internet. We can do our works easily and quickly on computer. We can perform many tasks like messaging, calculation, data storage, printing, etc. These are the main computer parts. Keyboard, mouse,
Wait, Senal, say, when you show, tell to others. Here, look at my keyboard. Here, look at my mouse, like that, show.
here look at my keyboard, here look at my mouse, here look at my speaker, CPU, the brain. It is the brain of computer. The monitor is screen of the computer, and the UPS. Thank you for listening my essay.
Well done, well done. I want to give the react. Very nice. Okay, now tell me, did you read all the essay? Guani want to read. Guani, now your time. Start,
Okay.
Guani. On your camera.
Good evening, my dear friend and my dear teacher. Today I am going to talk about the computer. Here, look at my computer. Then I will read my essay. The computer. Computer is a very helpful device. We can learn many new things from the internet. We can do your works easily and quickly on computer. We can perform